everybody, welcome to Millie's Family Toy Box. Today we're going to be opening 12 surprise eggs. I will not know how to open this. And then open these models. I can't open these. I can't. I can't.
Where'd you get these at?
This is like those chocolate things. Those chocolate things I have like chocolate. Keep opening these. When a dad helps me, a mom helps me.
Smells good.
I do not know how to get boxes out of the bags. This is a skunk. I hate skunks when this. I hate skunks when they skunk nasty stuff. Different stuff out of them. It's a penguin.
It's a penguin?
Yep.
Do you need help?
I'm gonna like put these toys to the side for a second.
You got it.
It feels like water dropped on me and this thing. Can somebody help me get this like vanilla off of my hands?
Yeah.
What is I can't get this one. Like a common. Tastes like an M&M. It's good. I'm going to everything. We have lit off. those things are. I cannot get this. I'm very wants to get frozen. I'm opening it. I can come. I'm opening it. It's a thing I can go. I still got chocolate on my feet. Oh God, from Mommy. Once I go, and I'm opening that actually. Okay, sit down. Sit down. Oh, go. It's good. Yeah, I'm just gonna open this. My toys are everywhere. My toys are out there. My little toys are there. Got three more. Hurry up. Okay. Guys. Guys, I'm telling you how hard this is.
This one's a chocolate.
It's a panda. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See? Got it all under control. These look like the other peanuts. These look like the peanuts you were eating, Bob. This is a spoon for something. What is this for? What is this spoon for? What is this spoon for? Oh, I got 2 clean spoons. Here. It's a Smurf.
It's Smurf.
Yeah, from the Smurfs movie. This looks like my skunk. We can pretend this is my skunks. We can pretend my skunks. Does somebody have anything to open these eggs? This looks like these. So I'm just gonna open some Smurfs. Girl Smurfs.
Maybe try another one.
Yep. Mom, this is the submarine you already tested, Kelly. No, because it has. And flappers. These are flappers. I'm just kidding. It's not a turtle. It's not a turtle. I'm just kidding. Look at my small. Look at this cute panda. Right there with my Smurfs and my. Why does my Smurfs have chocolate? Did somebody put that chocolate there? Why does my Smurfs have chocolate? Oh, yeah, that's the one I already opened. Why is there two of these? I'm put the my I guess I look the panda. Look it. Look it. What does this panda keep falling? Whoop. I hope. This looks like. And this is the last one of my eggs. That's there's all my eggs. How you guys like that? As you know how this video is, anyway. I was gonna put this in here. That's all for today.